Think dogs are just cute and cuddly? Think again, these 5 facts will blow your mind. 1. Every dog has a unique nose print, just like a human fingerprint. 2. Their sense of smell is so powerful, they can detect diseases and explosives. 3. Dogs sweat through their paws. Yep, those cute little pads help cool them down. 4. They can see colors, mainly blue and yellow, not just black and white. 5. They have a secret third eyelid that protects their eyes from dust and debris. Dogs aren't just adorable, they're walking science miracles. Follow for more fun animal facts.